So guys, just need to set this up. Then I'd be good. Well, I'm at my friend's house, so this house might seem a little different. Yes, I can see. Oh, I'm making the floor. Cookie dough. That one's already shaped into it. I'm just gonna do this. Strip down.
But I can make that big cookies.
Yes.
Or that big
Which?
cookies.
Which?
That one.
Has this one already been?
Yeah, let her do that one. But, as soon as you get done, put them on in here.
We're making cookies. I made cookies before. I need to wash my hands. Yummy. I don't care. Post my ex whenever whenever I post a video, it always pops up and he probably still watches me, even though I broke up with him. Delete. I'm here with my friend Dinky. Thank you. We making cookies. I already told them. God. I'm just walking. I thought it was like 11. Don't stop. Please, I don't want to start listening. I want some more cookie dough. And there's some over here. Oh. Mine. Oh. 5 seconds more. Best cookie dough ever. Bruh. Just took my spotlight. Also making a YouTube video right here. Wait, what's your channel? Oh, that one gotcha tuber. But the one is lowercase, the O, and one is lowercase. Because there's 2 of them. The O and one is. I have to fix this right here. This lowercase. The other one is lowercase, which is hers. The D in that is capitalized, and the O in one is lowercase. Yeah. Ooh, I found my bracelet. Ooh, I got a disease. Shut up. Equally, everybody's like, what you got? I am lucky. They say you so weebish, I'ma call the police. I still need to. Just gonna do the floss right now. I should be the new backpack girl. Excuse me. Because there used to be a backpack boy. He grew up and started using drugs. At the Comic-Con, they made me into a backpack. And also to a magnet. They made me into a backpack and a Pokemon card. I will show you. I have proof that they made me into a Pokemon card. They made me into a Pokemon card. Proof. See? Also have you. Got an energy. I have proof. I already showed him. They made me into Pokemon. But we have different Pikachu cards. See? Oh wow. Yeah, we do. Mine's better. No, mine is. Mine's better Pokemon. This card. So I got this card. Not this card. And then I got this card. This. And then this. Oh, I forgot about that one. This one. This one. Fire. Ooh, it's Rocket. one?
I found something good.
This one? This one?
I found. Yep, I definitely found some glitter on. Yeah, I have a lot of basic cards, but you know what? Who cares? I knew I was gonna do these.
I'm just gonna.
Oh, she's so cute. Wanna pick them? Tell you. I found another one of me. Look, I found me. I found another one of me. Look, another one of me. It's me. I just sort these are gonna stack. Like there's quirks. They all have the same quirk.
I also have this card. And I forgot what it's from, but yeah. Roxanne. I don't know why, but that everybody was singing that on no, Amino.
Amino.
Yes.
I heard it.
Amino.
Amino.
Roxanne. Roxanne.
I don't know what he's saying. Give me. I like chocolate.
There's an outlet right there.
Hold on, I gotta charge them.
Oh, I got two cameras on me.
I have to
Look,
charge
if you
them.
stand right here, you got two cameras on you.
Oh, that's so true.
You're coming.
Get that out of here.
Don't. No.
There's an outlet over there.
I know, but I want to use the one over here. Why? Because. Oh, you slip.
What? What do you say?
Nothing.
Punch me. Who's sorry?
Conchon.
Same thing. What is this? Where does this go? I just put.
Hey, can you do this?
Yeah. Of course.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Why are you asking me questions?
Because I can.
Why are you asking me to charge your tablet?
I'm not.
You were. You did the other day when I spent time with you.
No?
That's so untrue. Okay, there we go. And then let's. That goes right there. Also, the eye goes right there.
Where's your dad?
He went back into his room.
Why?
I don't know.
Like, they need to bake. I'm going to take.
We're making cookies.
No. Don't care. Well, I guess I'm going to end this here because I want to get on Amino. So, bye-bye. I know this is a short video. Bye-bye.